Hey everyone, Sean here from Tesla Family. Let's take a look at my Tesla wall charger. Alright, so here it is. We had this installed a few months ago by a licensed electrician here in Maryland, and couldn't be happier having this wall charger here in my garage. It's nothing like plugging in at the end of the day and waking up to an 80% charge, which is what I have my charge limit set at. So just like a supercharger, the wall charger works just about the same way, just a little bit slower. It's level 2, although I'm still very happy with it. Just come over here to the charge port, open, and plug it in. So I'm starting charging here with about 32 miles left on my pack. Just got back from a long trip, and the charger is set at the max charge rate for the wall charger, 48 amps, which is able to replenish me around 40 miles per hour of charge back into my car, which I'm pretty happy with here. It is a 240 setup, and we did have this set up by a licensed electrician. So just plugged in with 32 miles remaining. An estimate of 5 hours and 10 minutes will be back up to 80%, which is where I have my charge limit set at. Alright, so down here at the panel we do have the charger set up on a 60 amp breaker, and we do have 200 amps of service to the house, so that works out really well for us. Alright, so everyone, throwing out a few numbers associated with the gloss black wall connector. $500 is the price listed on the Tesla website. And as far as the installation, I did have a local electrical contractor install. And here's the total cost for the installation. It was $1,140 for the material and labor, and then $180 for a electrical permit and for the final inspection. Total of $1,320 for the installation of the wall connector. Of course, on top of that, you have to pay $500 for the wall connector. So pretty close to, or just shy of $2,000. But it's great to be able to plug in right from your home and charge relatively quickly, almost 40 miles per hour of plug-in. All right, here is the power source coming into my panel from the Tesla wall charger. It's a metal BX style conduit with the 4 number 6 gauge wires in it that are required. And it's kind of neat. This is the FLIR app, so it shows a little bit of heat here as it's charging my car. And then inside my panel here, you can see here's the breaker for the wall charger, the 60 amp breaker. Definitely generating a little bit of heat. Probably not too much to be concerned about. Only 90 something degrees. Doesn't even feel doesn't feel hot to the touch either. Just warm. So pulling 48 amps, I guess it's going to generate some heat there. And here's the other end where the conduit comes out into the garage. You can see while I'm charging, it's generating some heat within the conduit. According to the FLIR ONE app here, about 80 degrees. Runs over above my shovels and rakes and stuff, and then down the wall and the metal conduit to the wall charger, where it's also generating about 80 degrees or so, maybe even a little warmer here, while it's charging up my Model 3, 90 degrees. In some portions of the cable here, down and into the car. Hey, thanks for watching the video, everyone. Give me a thumbs up and comment below if you really liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to get notified of all of our future videos. Thanks, we really appreciate it.